Hi, and welcome to Email Configuration with AutomationEdge. Today we'll be going through how to set up your email so that AA Engine can use the configured server details to send emails. You should do this as part of your initial setup so you can start receiving notifications from AA right away. So without further ado, let's go. First, we have to navigate to Email Configuration subtab under Settings. Now that we are here, we have to click the Add button. And then we are presented with this form where we have to choose our configuration type first. We have the choice between SMTP configuration and Exchange Cloud configuration. For now, let's take a look at what SMTP configuration looks like. Now we have to fill in all of these details one by one. First is the host name, which is the qualified host name or the IP of the SMTP server. In this case, we are configuring a Gmail ID. So in that case, it is going to be smtp.gmail.com. Next, we have to provide the port, which is going to be used for SMTP connectivity. And in this case, I will be choosing 587. Next, we check the Authenticate checkbox and we provide our username and password. This is the email ID that our bot will be using in order to send all of those notifications that we were talking about earlier. Next, we'll be selecting the encryption type, and we have two options, SSL and TLS. For now, we're going to choose TLS. Since we chose TLS, you can see that this field has become available, which will let you choose the protocols you want to support. In this case, I'm going to choose 1.2 and 1.3. You can also provide an optional name for the bot to use when writing the from section in its emails under personal name. But before that, make sure that your SMTP server supports it. You can also restrict domains which AE can send mails to by configuring them in this field, allowed domains. You can add multiple domains to this, after which AE will send emails to only those domains. If you have not configured anything, AE can send emails to any domain without restriction. And lastly, we are going to click Test to test the connection. If you do not test the connection, you are not going to be able to save your configuration. As you can see, the email test connection is successful. We are now allowed to save this configuration. Before we close out on SMTP configuration, I'm going to take you very quickly through Exchange Cloud configurations. This is the form for Exchange Cloud configuration, and this is where you can directly copy paste your Microsoft account details. This information can be found as part of your Microsoft tenant details. I'm now going to go back to my SMTP configuration. Now we had tested this connection previously, so now we are allowed to save it. And this is what a saved configuration looks like. You can also edit this by clicking on Edit and then changing any details that you want from here. For now, I'm going to cancel it. And you can also delete this connection by clicking on the Delete button. Keep in mind, you will not be able to receive any notifications from this email after you delete it. You can configure a new one, but you will not receive any notifications if you delete this email server configuration altogether. So that is all that there is to email configuration with AE. Remember that this is the email ID which AE will use to send emails. So with that reminder, we're going to conclude here. Thank you and see you in the next one.